And then when you're blood clot, you forgot to set me on a pussy hole.
Yeah, fuck you, fucking reggae idiot bitch!
You want blood clot, cause I don't even bumper clot rate you, you know.
Stop speaking that gibberish!
You fat bumper clot pussy hole girl. You know this? Shot in a bumper clot. Hey, yo, don't touch
what's
me.
wrong? What's wrong?
Jacob here. You know Jacob?
Yes.
Jacob tells me it wasn't him. But some people he introduced me to have ripped me off big time. And put the heat on me. I know they did.
All right.
I know my fault to the Rasta. I know my blood clot.
not your
Hey,
fault.
don't come in on my face.
All right. You better hope Niko can make this right for you then.
Oh, what?
Oh, we got a big fucking problem, Rasta. Niko, go do this first job for him.
Yeah, I got it.
Watch me now.
See you later.
Watch me now.
Cabron! First kill of the day. Take cover. Don't kill me, man! What?
I lost the heat. Where are you?
Cheers, fine. I'm with some buckers and no I. Get here now, Niko. This be some strange shit.
Jacob, what are you talking about? You know, I think you're smoking too much.
Yo, me think me know the eater come from in a king.
Hey, Niko. Hey, Jacob.
What are you doing here? This is no place for you, Michelle.
As it happens, it is. You see, Niko, I have been working for the government. I'm afraid it's my job to watch you. And now I have to ask you for the coke.
This is a joke, right?
Please, please don't make this harder for me than it already is. Look, they're about to take down Elizabeta.
I don't fucking believe this.
Listen, I'm sorry it had to be this way, Niko. I'm really sorry. Hey, you know, you could have gone down too if you weren't so useful.
You fucking bitch.
Niko,
Hold on. You mean to say you're going to let us off just like that? Nothing now go on?
well, my employers need the help of a guy like Niko. The office is in Algonquin. I'll call you. You know, as and when we need you. The coke, please.
Shocking, me have to tell Elizabeth so she now get her cocaine, you know.